Okay, so you've joined MLSP and you want to know exactly where your website is and how to access it. I'm going to actually show you right now. And what you want to do is you want to be logging into your MLSP back office, which I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to put my security code in one more time. Okay, now we are in a back office. Okay, you want to locate the website. What you want to do is you want to go to my websites up here, and you want to go down to my sites. Now what you're going to notice on my one is I've got my own domain name set up, right? So your screen should probably look something like this instead, okay? You'll probably have sevenfiguremastermindsystem.com and slash your username and all the different pages with a welcome message and an intro message and so on and so forth. Right, these are all your websites by default, okay? It's in fact one website with different subsections, and the sole purpose of your website is going to be to generate leads for your business. Okay, it's not going to be like a blog, for example. Okay, if you want a blog, you'll have to get your own blog and set it up. It's going to be a completely separate thing to that. Okay, the sole purpose of, like I said, MLSP is to help you market, generate leads, and get more business for whatever primary opportunity you're in. Okay, and how that does that is you are going to basically be promoting this lead capture page as your website, okay? And you're going to be generating leads using this. And I'm going to actually show you now what one of these pages might look like, okay? And this is probably what your page looks like when you go on it. So if I'm a
Hello
lead, for
and welcome.
example,
My
I'm going
name
to
is
go to
Norbert,
this page,
and not too
and
long
I'm going to
ago,
get
I
an
was in
introduction from
exactly the
Norbert, as
same
you can see in the
place
video
that
here.
you are right now. I
And
was
I'm going
surfing
to fill this
around on the
information in,
internet
and I'm going to
looking
click
for
free
some
instant
answers,
access.
trying to figure out how.
And what's going to happen next is you're going to probably be taken to a welcome page. Okay, not necessarily exactly the same. You may be slightly different. Okay,
Hey,
and
it's Norbert again, and
again,
I wanted to
Norbert will have an
congratulate you
introduction
on
to your
taking
lead,
action. I'm very
and
excited to
it'll probably
share
tell you
with
to
you
do click here to
everything
begin
that
your
we have
training,
learned
which is
and put
providing value
together
once
over the
again,
last couple of
which is the
years.
concept of
Now, we're
attraction
going to
marketing,
show you
providing value
exactly
rather than
how you
pitching
can
and
start
selling whatever
leveraging
business
the
opportunity
internet
you're
to
doing.
generate more leads for your
And
business.
after that, you're probably going to be well, your lead will probably be taken to an introduction page. Okay, now once your lead comes to this
Hey there,
introduction
it's your
page to
friend
your
and
website,
marketing vet Brian
okay,
Falley, and
they'll have
most
the
likely you've been
opportunity to
hearing a
look through
lot about
this
MLSP
brief
for quite a
introduction
while
into
now.
MLSP, which
MLM Lead
lasts
System Pro
roughly
this,
about,
My Lead System Pro
I
that.
think, about half an
Honestly,
hour,
you
20
can't
minutes
do
or
a
so,
Google search for a
but
network marketing
explaining
keyword
exactly
company
what
or
attraction
leader
marketing is
without
and why
MLSP
your
popping up
potential
all
prospect,
over the
aka your
place.
lead,
In
is
fact,
probably
it's been the
struggling right
underground
now.
secret weapon of
Okay,
some of the hottest
it's
network
got
marketers in the
a
game today,
proof
and you're
of
about to see why.
testimonials down here,
In
so
this
you can
short
actually click
video, I'm
this
going to show
and
you
see what
exactly
other
what
people are saying
MLSP can do
about
for you and your
MLSP.
business. I'll make a
Okay,
deal with you.
he's got
Give me
video
your undivided
tutorials,
attention right
sorry,
now,
video
and I'll show you
testimonials
how
of some of the
average,
top
everyday
leaders,
people
especially
just
locally, as
like
you
you
can
and me
see,
are now making a fortune
as
through
well as,
network
okay,
marketing thanks to MLSP, and
after
how
a
you
couple of
can too.
seconds or so, you're going to
Since
get the add to
2008,
cart button.
MLSP has paid
Now
over
this is how you
$2.67
recruit
million
people
in
within
affiliate
MLSP
commissions
and
back to its
start to
members.
build
Its members
trust
have
and
generated
leadership,
over
okay? So when somebody clicks on
1,087,000
this
leads,
and they opt
and we
in
have
and they
created
decide they want
hundreds
to
of
try
success stories
MLSP
from around the globe.
for the trial of
Take David
997
Wood, for
for the
example.
2
This
weeks,
guy knew
okay,
nothing about internet marketing
you
before
make a
finding
commission.
MLSP,
That's
and within his
another
first
way
6
of
months
making
had
money
made over
through MLSP. And that is
$150,000 and
basically
also
your
won a brand new
website,
BMW in an
okay?
MLSP affiliate contest.
I'm going to leave that page. And that is basically your website. And the rest of these come into it through other subsections, okay? But that gives you a rough idea exactly where your website is and how you can use it. I'm just going to switch back to my own domain name now. Another thing you can do once you have got your own domain name is you can select it here. In fact, it's by default selected here anyway. And the only main difference that does, it replaces the 7-figure mastermind system with your domain instead. And why this is useful mostly is because if you're using Facebook pay-per-click for your marketing to generate leads, which is what you will be doing with me, because that is my primary way of generating leads, is using Facebook pay-per-click. You will definitely need your own domain name, otherwise Facebook will not approve your ads, because they do not approve the 7-figure mastermind system, okay? Because so many people use that, right? So you definitely want to have your own domain name when it comes to generating leads using Facebook pay-per-click. However, you can use obviously the free methods I've mentioned to generate leads as well anyway. Right, so that is one part of where your website is. You've also got your other campaigns here, which are also your websites to generate leads, okay? You've got your product campaigns. Once again, okay, these are your websites you can use to promote and generate leads. What you essentially are going to do is you're going to market these products and generate leads. Okay, so when, for example, I done Live the Dream, okay, and I got 2 conversions out of that, okay, so that's 2 leads that I managed to get just by promoting Live the Dream event, okay. And how I did this, I just promoted them on Facebook and Twitter and other social networking sites, okay. And you could do that with any one of these. And how you do this is you actually go to this button over here and you get this link, and you basically put this link out to maybe Facebook or Twitter and wherever else you want to put them at. And when people click on this, this is the page they get once it loads up, and it's just exactly the same again. They fill their name in, fill the email in, and you get a lead. So that's another way of generating leads, and you can use any of these in exactly the same way, okay. And these are all your own websites, okay. Another way you can do is you can use the system campaigns, and these once again are capture pages built within MLSP to allow you to provide value and generate leads. And as you can see, okay, I've been using quite a lot of these, and you can see I've generated 47 leads with just a Facebook one, okay, and that's my main one, to be honest, that I use. And it's exactly the same concept again. You can basically click that link here, okay, and you can grab that link and you can paste it within Facebook and start generating leads. And these are another 18 different campaigns for yourself to use, which are essentially your websites as well, okay. So not only do you get MLSP's back office website, okay, which is the one I showed you previously, you also get the product campaigns, which also allow you to generate commissions as well, okay. And you also get these MLSP system campaigns, which allow you to generate a ton of leads for providing value in the form of training for struggling network marketers. And those are basically your website. So you've got your product campaign website and you've got your system campaign websites, okay, and you've also got your own website, which is a main MLSP website. You can go into detail and you can create your own capture pages, which are also your websites from campaign management, which I'll go into in another tutorial. But that is essentially where your websites are and how you can utilize them to generate more leads for yourself.